सुरारीणां हास्यन्तव चरणदास्यन्निजसुते स दृष्ट्वा दुष्टात्मा गुरुभिरशिशिक्षच्चिरममुं गुरुप्रोक्तञ्चासाविदमिदमभद्राय दृढमित्यपाकुर्वन् सर्वं तव चरणभक्त्यैव ववृधे. Surarinam, Sura Arinam, Surarinam is a compound word. Hasyam Tava, Hasyantava, because of Sandhi. Anuswara changes to another. Charanadasyam is a compound word. Nijasute is a compound word. Charanadasyan Nijasute, because of Sandhi. Anuswara changes to another. Saha Vasarga is dropped. Drushtva. Dushtatma is a compound word. Guru Bhihi Bhamaha Pranaha. Visarga changes to Repha. Ashishikshat. Gurubhir Ashishikshat, because of Sandhi. The third in the end changes to Ch, because of Sandhi. Chiram. So, Gurubhir Ashishikshat Chiram, because of Sandhi. Amum. Chiramamum. Surarinam Hasyantava Charanadasyan Nijasute Sadrishtva Dushtatma Gurubhirashishikshat chiramamum. Guru Proktam is a compound word. Cha. Guru Proktancha, because of Sandhi. Anuswara changes to the nasal of Cha. Asau. Chasau, because of Sandhi. Idam. Chasavidam, because of Sandhi. Idam. Chasavidamidam. Abhadraya is a compound word. Bhamaha pranaha. Chasavidamidam abhadraya. Dridham, dhamaha pranaha, iti. Dridhamiti, apakurvan. Dridhamityapakurvan, because of Sandhi. Sarvam, tava. Sarvantava, because of Sandhi. Anuswara changes to another. Charana bhaktya is a compound word. Bhamaha pranaha, eva. Charana bhaktya, because of Sandhi. Vavridhe, dhamaha pranaha. Guru prok Tanchasa vidamidam abhadraya dridhamityapakurvan sarvantava charanabhaktiyaiva vavridhe. Surarinam hasyantava charanadasyan nijasute sadrishtva dushtatma gurubhirashishikshachiramamum Guru Proktanchasa bhadraya dridhamityapakurvan sarvan tava charana bhaktiyaiva vavridhe. Adhiteshu shreshtham kimiti pariprushtetha tanaye bhavad bhaktim varyam abhigadati paryakula dhritihi gurubhyo roshitva Sahajamatirasyetyabhividan vadhopayanasmin vyatanuta bhavatpada sharane. Adhiteshu dhamaha pranaha shreshtham dhamaha pranaha kim. Shreshtham kim, because of Sandhi. Anuswara changes to nga there, because of Sandhi. Iti kimiti pariprishte atha dhamaha pranaha. Pariprishtetha, because of Sandhi. Tanaye. Bhavad bhaktim is a compound word. Both bha samaha pranaha. Varyam. Bhavad bhaktim varyam, because of Sandhi. Anuswara changes to the nasal of va. Abhigadati. Bhamaha pranaha. So varyam abhigadati. Paryakula dhritihi is a compound word. Dhamaha pranaha. Adhiteshu shreshtham kimiti pariprushtetha tanaye bhavad bhaktim varyam abhigadati paryakula dhritihi. Gurubhyaha becomes gurubhyo, because of Sandhi. Bhamaha pranaha. Roshitva sahajamatihi is a compound word. Visarga changes to repha. Asya. Sahajamati rasya, because of Sandhi. Iti. Sahajamati rasyeti, because of Sandhi. Abhividan, bhamaha pranaha. So, Sahajamati rasyet rasyetyabhividan because of sandhi. Vadha upayan. Vadhopayan is a compound word. Dhamaha pranaha. Asmin. Vadhopayan asmin. Vyatanuta. Bhavat pada sharane is a compound word. Bhamaha pranaha. Gurubhyo roshitva सहजमति रस्येत्यभिविदन् वधोपायानस्मिन् व्यतनुत भवत्पादशरणे अधीतेषु श्रेष्ठं किमिति परिपृष्टेऽथ तनये भवद्भक्तिं वर्यामभिगदति पर्याकुलधृतिः गुरुभ्यो रोषित्वा सहजमतिरस्येत्यभिविदन् वधोपायानस्मिन् व्यतनुत भवत्पादशरणे